Hey guys, this is Pratap here, and today we'll discuss about Cisco Nexus. Cisco Nexus is a switch which is very high end and mostly used in the data center and where your data traffic is so high. So now, if you see, like back in 2010, so if you have any mobile phone and if you take a picture, that could be maximum 500 KB or up to 1 MB. But now if you take any picture from your smartphone, it will be going beyond 4 MB, 5 MB and 6 MB. That means, like, that size of the data has increased. So those old device, legacy devices, no more going to help if you are, support based company. Let's say you are some ISP, you are having a data center, let's say data center, like, if you are in a railtel, railway telecommunication, let's say your airways, let's say like industry, what kind of industry they are using. Suppose your railtel. Now then use our air industry. Okay, now you pharma companies like Cipla and all. So those the big like shipping corporation of India, Indian Navy, and Army. So those people, like those data centers are very large and very secure. It has to be. So now, like Cisco Nexus, these are the features they have. It's a data center grade switch. It's a high availability, and then you can see that infrastructure level of security. And now if you see number 4, operational load balancing. Operational load balancing. So it's a very great features. So now I hope you have got a bit clarity why we'll be using the Nexus, because the large production environment people are going to use the Nexus. So where your data should data is either more like I said earlier, like your data is flowing so much from that. Also, like if it is some service based company, plenty people are accessing. uh, let's say you having lots of storage, and you want to make them communicate with your different areas. Let's say you are some production company now, you are continuously upgrading your status, so that this kind of switch will be going to help you out. Anyways, I will be showing the images and features and everything, so please have patience. So it's going to help you out a lot. Okay, now once we'll be coming back to that model number of that Nexus. So Nexus models. So now if you talk about a Nexus model, so you will be having number one, 9000 series, people also called as 9K. Then you will be having 7000 series, that is your 7K. Now you will be having 6000. Now you'll be having 5000. Now you'll be having 4000, and then 3000, 3K, 2K, and 1K, 1000. Also, it is called 1B because 1000B, because this is not physical, this is the virtual one. Cisco, what they are thinking, like people should know, like how the switch works. So features and some basic features and visibility they have put in that 1000B, and rest of the switches are very high availability and other features are available there on the other switches like 9000, 7000, 6000. So nowadays, mostly in enterprise companies, you will be finding 7000 mostly and 9000. Uh, like 9000 and 7000 is a hot cake nowadays. Okay, so before going further, so I will be showing you how that Nexus switch look like. So let me take you here. So if you go cisco.com, then go, then Nexus. Now you can see it here like Cisco Nexus products. So can you see here? This is a data center based switch. So you can see built-in scale, industry leading automation, programmability, everything you can integrate with that. All right. So that's what this switch are really amazing. Scale with cloud scale technology. You can see automation and simplicity, dynamically improve security. So that we already discussed earlier. Now guys, you can see here Nexus 9000, Nexus 7000, Nexus 3000, storage area. So let's have a look on this Nexus 9000. So if you see here, like, can you see that it's such a big and large giant. So you can see is here data center, growing number of users, you know complicated applications. So Nexus 9000 series data center switches deliver proven high performance, density up to 4000 gig, as well as low latency. So now if you go here and check here, you can see it's a 9500. Now if you want to see any product details, let's say you want to see 9500 model, all the details. So how we'll be checking? Now you can put here white paper, Cisco Nexus 9500. So it's going to show you everything about 9500. Okay, so you can see here how many line cards are there, how many fans are there, then how many supervisor engines are there. Anyways, we will discuss that part. uh, Now you can see that airflow, front to back, how it is, everything explanations will be there. Okay, so this is the way you can find out the details. Cisco 9500 supervisor engine. This is that actually. So supervisor engine is nothing but it's a brain. It's having a capability to understand whether it is L2 traffic or whether it is L3 traffic, or it can decide your routing engine. And not only that, also it can store the information. You can see here SSD put here, 1 GB RAM, also RAM also having category like DDR3, DDR4, like that. Okay, you can see here quad core Intel Sandy Bridge processor, like that. So this supervisor engine, so where you having a brain, and through that people can control the device and configure accordingly. Anyways, so this is the model number, so you can have a look here. And over here plenty types of 9500. You can see how many slots are there, how many cloud scale buffer, etc. All the information is going to be there. Okay, now you might be thinking this big one, why it is big one? So because that is based on your model number, so which we are taking. So also based on spine and leaf, that we will discuss in later on, what is spine and leaf, etc. So in meanwhile, what we will discuss, we'll discuss about that topic, the things, I mean, uh, in any Cisco Nexus, what are the major components are there, and we have to know that. Okay, so major components in any Cisco Nexus. So first you will be having chassis. So you'll be having chassis, which is important. uh, Next we will be coming After chassis will be coming IO modules, input output module actually. You can write like this. Number 3, we'll be having supervisor engine, also people called SUP. And then uh, number 4, we'll be having fabric modules. Alright. So first let's take you into the chassis. So now you have seen just now, like this big infrastructure, let's say this big, like where all the modules, all the supervisor engine, all your power, where who is holding everything, that is the chassis. Let's say in our body, our skeleton is holding muscles, all organs there, right? So same like that, chassis is just like the skeleton who exactly holds everything of Nexus, uh, you know all the products, I mean all that peripherals. Alright, so this is how the chassis came to the picture. So then IO modules, this is input output modules, you will be there, that is your IO modules. And then you will be coming to the supervisor engine, SUP. So that is very small one that I just shown you up here. This is your supervisor engine, you can see here down. Just let me show you up. Yeah, so this is your supervisor engine. So guys, this is the your supervisor engine, which is actually the brain. You can see over here the processor and that memory, SSD, everything is there. Okay, so as we discussed, that is that four major things are there in the, these are the four major things any Nexus devices. Okay, so in product, let's say 9000. So in 9000, what are the models are there? 9000 in the series, right? They're having a lot many model number are there. 9300, 9500. So what are the operating systems are there inside? What is the fabric interconnect, or maybe what all features are there, that we will discuss on the second videos. So guys, you stay tuned and stay connected with me, I mean this channel. So it will be really going to help you out. So just in between you just go through it, and you do also little bit research from the Cisco websites. So like regarding the model number, regarding the RAM, regarding the processor, that is going to really help you out. Alright guys, thank you.